Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the lock screen clock style on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. iOS 16 brought us customizable lock screens. Here is how to change the style of the lock screen clock on iPhone and iPad. Start on the lock screen of your iPhone. Unlock it with your Face ID, but don't leave the lock screen. Once it's unlocked, hold your finger down on the screen until it vibrates and opens the lock screen customization screen. Select your current lock screen or swipe to the right to select a different one or create a new one. Now tap Lock Screen. Tap where it shows the clock. You can now choose a different style for your clock and also change the colors. Once you are finished editing the style of your clock, tap Done at the top right. Your lock screen clock has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.